DIS-TRAN is a provider of solutions for high voltage open air substations. We provide all the steel and equipment necessary to construct the substation out in the field on the construction site or job site.
We're a pretty aggressive company. We're always looking for holes in the market to fill. One of the things we always wanted to get into and specialize in is modular designs, prefabricated butts. And Autodesk has really enabled us to take it to the next level.
The Inventor software allows us to take a concept from the conceptual phase to the design phase with little to no error.
Once we get the standard design completed for a customer, we can copy design from Vault. It eliminates a lot of rework for us. We can take an entire design or part of a design, a model including all drawings and all documentation. We can copy it into a new project and build on it from there. We're not having to start every project over and over and over. Something as simple as a single-phase bus support. I can't tell you the last time I actually modeled a bus support, because we just copy design what we already have existing in our Vault database.
Autodesk Inventor and Vault has improved our efficiency in engineering and design. It has shortened the lead times within E&D, I'd say at least 20%.
At the end of the day, given our workload and the complex designs we've been challenged with, I really don't see us being here today if it weren't for Autodesk products.